Okay, so this would be a quick demo to understand the tools with Foundry Agent Service. Now folks, as you might remember that as we saw the model catalog, the same way we have got a tools catalog. And the good thing is that again, it is actually part of the discovery. So if you go to discover, and same way what we checked for models where you could see all the different models that are there available in the Foundry, we have all the different tools that are available in the Foundry. And again, they have done a very good categorization that are you interested in MCP based tool. So if you click on local MCP, all the local MCP servers will come up, right? If you are interested in a provider specific, like if you want to see just Microsoft specific ones which are provided by Microsoft, you can do that. Then we have categorization based on say security databases. Let's say you are interested in databases, so you can see what all is available in the Foundry in terms of databases, right? Then we have some registry specific like logic app connectors, what all logic app connectors are there and all, right? So you can always play around with it, and which is pretty good. Now, because we are actually looking to understand how you can use tools with the agent, again, you have to go back to the build section, right? Now, I will not create a new agent, but I'll just show you how things are pretty simple and straightforward. If you actually go to your first agent, my first agent, right? And if you see, with the my first agent, you can see that it's based on the model, which is GPT 4.1. It has some instructions, basic instructions, or system prompt, which says write your prompt here to give your agent instructions. We can give any instructions you want. But right now we are actually interested in tools, right? Because we are learning tools here, right? It says connect tools to your agent for faster access to information. So just see. At the moment, we will take a look at web search tool. Ensure that your web search tool is toggled off. And this is where I'll actually show you the capability of a tool, right? If I say who is the PM of UK, right? So you will see that it will actually come up with an information, but it will come up with the information based on its trained data. So whenever this GPT 4.1 model was created, let's say back in 2024, then at that time it's saying that Rishi Sunak is the Prime Minister of UK, which is not right, because that is what I was telling you, that tools provide all the powers to your agent so that it can come up with the right decisions. It has the latest information, latest knowledge, and it can perform some actions as well, right? So what I'll do here is I will go to tools and I will toggle this and I'll say search the web with Bing search, right? And I will actually add this tool and I will save this, right? So now I'm adding a capability to my agent and I've added a tool to my agent called web search. Now, if I ask who is the PM of UK, then ideally now agent knows that I need to go to the web search and get the latest information back from it, right? And if you see, it is doing as of the latest date, as of today, right? As of today. So it just going to the web search, fetching the latest information, and it gives me the right information saying the current Prime Minister is Sir Keir Starmer, assumed office in 2024, and then preceded by Rishi Sunak. If you see, Rishi Sunak was a previous Prime Minister, right? And it is also giving me some citations, right, from where it is picking. It's picking from Wikipedia, it is picking from good government resources like gov.uk, right? So all I wanted to show you was the capability and the importance of tools using with agent. In the next lecture, we will try and use another tool, nice tool, which is the code interpreter. So don't go anywhere.